Hi everyone, here we've got NOKIA C20 and let me share with you how to enable night light or eye comfort mode. So first of all, let's enter the settings because we will customize this mode and then I'll show you much faster access to this feature. So in the settings we have to find the display and on the third position we've got night light. In order to customize it we have to actually turn it on. So let's tap on turn on now, and as you can see the screen turns a little bit yellowish or amber. It is in order to filter the blue light. What's more, it will be much easier for you to look at the screen at the dim light. As you can see here we've got the intensity switcher, so we can change it just by using it. By going to the left we can make it cooler and to the right warmer. It's almost orangish. What's more, at the very top we've got schedule option, and after tapping on it we can turn it on at custom time, so you will be able to pick the start time and end time, or you can turn it on from sunset to sunrise, so your device automatically will decide where the sunset and sunrise is. So let me pick the custom time for example, and as you can see we can choose start time. So let me pick for example maybe 3 o'clock and end time at 11 o'clock. Just tap on OK, and as you can see the screen stays the same. I mean, it did not change to the night light mode. It is because we are not between the start time and end time. This is how it works. But let me turn off this option. Let me turn it on right now. So actually here we've got the customization of this mode, and if you want to have much faster access to this feature, just unroll the top bar and here we will find the night light icon. So right now it is obviously turned on. You can turn it off just by tapping on it, and you can turn it on the same way. If you cannot find this this icon right here, if for some reason your device did not automatically apply it here, no worries, just tap on this edit icon right here and you will be able to find it somewhere in this section. Tap on it, hold it and drag it to the very first section, just like I did with Do Not Disturb mode. Can I get back? No, whatever. So actually this is it. This is how to enable the night light or eye comfort mode in your NOKIA C20. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.